So hello and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you this 2008 Mercedes ML. It's a 280 3-liter diesel. Yeah, have a look behind me. That car is very nice and beautiful. It's in edition 10, so it has its own design features, which actually looks better than the original one, because there were not that many of them made. So let's have a look. I'll show you car closer. I'll take it for a test drive and I'll show you more about it. So as you can see, this is edition 10, and from what is supposed to be on edition 10, I think only the alloy wheels have changed from 20s to 19s, as these actually having a better quality ride. Yeah, so you have a darkened inside these headlamps. Yeah, you can see more in the light. There's another badge for edition 10, and darkened in tail lights as well. You have better looking exhausts, with the bottom bit looks much better as well. Yeah, you have all-around parking sensors, rear view camera here as well, so I think this is aftermarket installed. So I think car looks very nice. I'll show you inside, show you interior. It comes in full leather. These seats are very nice and comfy. Yeah, I must admit these seats are, especially at the back, much more comfortable than in my very nice center armrest here. Very nice looking door trims, door cards. So you have I think it's close to 10-inch Android unit installed in this car, as originally this car didn't come with any screen at all, and the even original screen I think looks just a bit dated now, and a unit like this can cost you around £500 I think, fully installed, which looks very nice. Yeah, you can browse the internet. You can have your rear view camera, loads of different apps, etc. So there's many more people now installing these Android units in their cars, so make their car more appealing and also more entertaining, yeah, while you drive long journeys. So these cars are specifically good for your long journeys. Yes, they eat a little bit more fuel than your, for example, Volkswagen Tiguan for sure, or something on similar size. Don't expect this car to be as economical as these little SUVs of something like Toyota RAV4. So absolutely adore these large SUVs. This car is 2.2 tons, so it feels solid when you drive it. At the same time, you will not feel very tired when you are in the long journeys as well. Yeah, so let's go behind it. Let's go and show you the front. Steering wheel, yeah, as typical for 164, the first generation. Then they come in a facelift. They start have a different and a better design steering wheel on a facelift model. Yeah, so and everything looks very nice. Speedometer, you have a clock, you have a position of your gearbox, park, neutral and drive. You can have your kilometers per hour or miles per hour on the bottom screen here. Your miles per gallon is on the top screen. Your ref counter is on your right hand side, and your fuel gauge as well. Yes, So you have a few buttons there on the very top for your additional things in the menu, and I think it's very user friendly. You have a hill descent control if you want to go downhill, or this one is specifically for your off-road, but don't expect this car to handle off-road anywhere near as good as something like Land Rover or Jeep Grand Cherokee or something like this. Yeah. So your traction control off, disable your parking sensors, quite a roomy glove box, plenty to fit inside there. So I like this car. Long time ago I have rented this car for a few weeks myself in exactly the same shape. I enjoyed it very much. Again, you have side steps for a very easy access on the sides. You have a huge door bins, yeah, and we'll try to demonstrate fitting the big bottle here. Yeah, that'll fit, and you can fit it sideways if you want as well. So you have two more bottle holders there, and I think this will even fit 2-liter bottle here. Yes, this one is a 1-liter bottle, and it fits in just perfectly here. Yeah. So glove box, I think it's just a little bit on a smaller side, as this having a Bluetooth device here for Mercedes. Yeah. So overall, these seats, although this car is now over 10 years old, yeah, these seats actually still holding and in quite good shape. So I'll show you the back. Yeah, very roomy, plenty to like, and you can make long journeys in this car with no problem. That'll be very, very enjoyable. So I believe this one has a 90-liter fuel tank, and you can make long journeys in this one without refueling if you're traveling. So that'll be all very, very handy. Yeah, all dark interior. So this specific one doesn't have a electric tailgate. This car is actually still in very good condition. So what owner have reported is one of the brake calipers have broken down and had to replace. Yeah, but other than that, just change the oils. As you can see, 3-liter V6 engine here. Makes a lovely tone. Oh, look at this one, having a great time. These are exactly the same as a W164 on the bonnet. Looking very, very nice. So now let's take this car for a test drive. Lovely car, actually feel very confident in this car. But I think when you compare this car to something like Audi Q7, I find Audi Q7 actually drives better than this one. So it's either because of the size or how these cars are built. You can still hear this 3-liter engine while you're cruising on motorways, which is very, very lovely. Yeah, 3-liter roar is something I believe in the future will be totally replaced with something really small, tiny engines or electric vehicles that over time will be replacing everything. So while we just need to enjoy these cars here while we can. Also heard the new cars that will be coming in a few years. Yeah, in a few years time, new cars will be coming already with the speed limiter, so you will not be able to go over the speed limit. So that I can just imagine will feel very boring while you drive. Yeah, there's just simply no need for that. I think people should be responsible. Yes, that's going to reduce the amount of accidents on the road, which is a good thing. But I think these new modern cars also come, which are equipped also with all these new fancy equipment, with the distance control and your emergency braking, etc. So I think that should be enough. But no, they decided to go, or they are planning to decide, or they're planning to go one step further. Lovely car this is, actually. Lovely car. So when these came out, these were costing between, I think, 50,000 and 80,000 for your AMG models. From £3,500, and you can have a high mileage ones mostly. And here we go. These are the prices for these cars on Auto Trader. There's one here as well, 7,295, the silver one with the Edition 10. Yeah, it's so this gentleman got this car for, if I can remember it right, for just over £6,000, which I think is a very decent price for this beast. I still have plenty of life left in it. So yes, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're interested, you can check in the description. I'll put the most common issues with this car, what you should be aware of. As the gentleman bought this car, immediately he changed oils and filters, also transmission oil, and this car runs quite smoothly actually for its age and mileage. So, and if you're interested, go and check out my other videos. So thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.